This is a new breed that we just got at Chickens for Chicks. I picked these guys up on Saturday. They're blue black splash Cochin. And if you can see, I have more blue than anything. And the reason I chose to do more blue is because with blue, you get 25% splash, 25% black, and 50% blue. So, and then my two roosters, I got a black rooster and a blue rooster. They are just so cute. Look at how chubby these ladies are. Here's my hand for an example of how big they are. They're huge. Look at them. And then that's the fermenting that I do. I do that because I've discovered by testing it, I get way more eggs if I do the fermentation. So, anyways, there you go. New breed, new blood at Chickens for Chicks. Gotta love it.